Green is negative, red is positive. And okay, 1334. I got 1375 before. Okay, so that's how you test them. Your ohms will be different. This is a Shure V15 type 4. Other cartridges have different values, but the method is always the same. So what we have is a 1978 Thorns TD 160 BC Mark II with an SME 3009 arm and a Shure V15 Type 4 cartridge. I replaced the Stylus, I don't know how many hours ago, we'll say 100 hours ago. Replaced the plastic lid yesterday, if you will, the belt. I had new cables put in. I paid for that 20 years ago, but there's not that many hours on it. Thinking of buying a new Stylus for $300, an original V15. We'll see.